How to register on the Faces app. Start by clicking Register at the bottom. Now enter your first name, last name, email address, and password. Once completed, check the Agree to Terms box. After entering your information, click Sign Up. A verification code will be sent to your email. Enter your code. Click Submit. Once verified, choose which industry you're in. Select which occupation. Now you're ready to click Next. Now enter your business name, phone number, and website. Or just add your Instagram handle if you don't have a website. Now click Next. Now choose a reason why you're here. Click Next. Choose size of business. Click Next. Congratulations! Now you're ready to start your journey on Faces. Once you complete the onboarding process, you'll unlock all the app's features and you'll earn £100 credit to spend on stock. To complete your onboarding process, enter the location of your business, availability and hours, add your treatments, then your banking information for online payments, your branding, and finally add a booking link. Then you're ready to claim £100 credit. So get started by downloading the Faces app for free today.